How you doing, everybody? Glad Fan 1989 back with you. It is time for another hotel room tour. Today I am in Rapid City, South Dakota. And the place I'm staying at is the Quality Inn and Suites just off of I-90. Now, you guessed it, it's a tour of my room, and it's right here, room 137. Now, I am going to show you a 2-queen suite. Let's go in and see how sweet this suite is. And as you enter, you got a couch. We'll check that out later. Plenty of lights around here. And as you can tell, we have interior corridors here. Now for security, have the latch lock, the deadbolt, we have the peephole, and here's a fire map, and it's kind of like a U shape. But we're not too bad in the security department. And let me take off this silly mask. The first one I've done since the COVID-19 scare. And this is a walk-in closet. Here's a handsome guy. Hi. Up here we have the iron and the ironing board. Plenty of hangers and storage. Now over here we have an LG flat screen TV. Again, I will not turn it on due to copyright reasons, but you already know that. We've got 3 chests of drawers, and that is all for this. And you guessed it, it is a hide-a-bed. Over here we have the dining table with a bunch of food that I bought. And here's the refreshment area. Let me move some of the stuff out of the way. This is a Sharp carousel. Very, very clean, and it is a real workhorse. We've got the coffee and coffee maker. Down here is a GE mini fridge. And it does have a freezer that can use a little defrosting, but it doesn't do too bad. Alright. Now over here is the bedroom with 2 queen beds, but we'll check those later. Over here, hey, that handsome guy one more time. Hi. And it is another closet, but I'm not going to open it. One of my suitcases, I brought 2 on this trip. And another LG flat screen TV. Another chest of drawers. Over here we have the computer desk, and yes, this is a brand new laptop that I have bought not too long ago. Now, this right here I think is the PTAC unit. It has a central, room temperature air and heat. Now for the most important part. We have the beds. I originally wanted a 1-queen bedroom, but I want to give a thumbs up to the people here at the Quality Inn. They gave me a 2-queen suite without even me asking. We have the little decorative top sheet. We have the bottom sheet. There is a comforter. 4 nice and fluffy pillows. Bed is very nice, supportive, yet soft. We have a standard hotel telephone. Got some plugs and USB ports, but I always like to bring my own. And a very small but very useful alarm clock. And, of course, what hotel tour would be complete without, you guessed it, the good book. Now to the window. Got blackout curtains here and shears. And what do we see? The other building and the parking lot. So I just keep it closed. Here's the room from the back side. Not too bad. I spent paying about $43 a night here, and it is a bargain, I'll tell you. And now for the toilet fans, you guessed it, it is time to tour the bathroom. Here's the toilet, we'll check that later. Here's the hair dryer. Behind my toiletry bag is the tissues. Your standard hotel sink. Ice bucket and cups. And of course the toiletries. I always bring my own, but it's nice to, if you forget something, you'll be covered. They give you a lot of towels. Hand towels, face towels, and washcloths. Well, let's take a look at the toilet. I see absolutely no name, nothing around here, but the flush is pretty good. Here we go, toilet fans. And it does really well. Now for the shower. And you do have the arch shower rod. A touch flimsy, but it holds up nice. Now we have over here some Delta fixtures. And this, a little heads up to the people here, you might want to use a little CLR. There's a little bit of calcium buildup on it, but don't let that fool you. It has good water pressure. Whew, almost got the camera wet. And now we will step out into the living area and take one more look. Turn off the lights, save energy. Well, what do y'all think of this place? Like I said, I paid $43 a night for this. And I was just expecting a one queen bedroom, but I was pleasantly surprised that they put me up in here. Well, everybody, this does conclude my hotel room tour. I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. Until next time, remember, you can do all things.